CBSE schools in Medavakkam, Babaji Vidhyashram School, Shalanganallur, Chennai. How continuous feedback fosters learning. Each assignment is consciously completed in the classroom, often with a specific learning goal in mind. Effective feedback ensures that students are aware of the learning goals they are pursuing. Self-determination theory can help teachers provide students with timely, relevant, and helpful feedback. Feedback before learning sets the direction for instruction, assists in the identification of learning objectives, and promotes a sense of choice. Teachers can give students feedback on their work as they study by giving them a thumbs up or thumbs down, or by using interactive digital tools. Students can set explicit expectations for learning objectives using checklists and rubrics, practice using these tools, and offer constructive feedback to their peers. Since feedback is most often given to students after they have learned something, it should help them feel confident in their work and understand how to apply the feedback they have heard. Feedback has a favorable effect on learning outcomes and helps in the development of crucial self-control skills in children. Students will appreciate studying and be more equipped for the work of the future when they recognize the iterative nature of learning.